Alright, today we will be conducting a verbal citizenship test.
Okay.
Let's get started.
Alright, I'm ready.
So your first question. Who was the first president of the United States of America?
President? Oh. Wait. Changer la dit nèg qui sous dollar. Right there. Want to see that, man?
Alright, I see the dollar, but we need his name.
His
We need to
name?
know his name. Yes, his name.
Washington. George Washington. Wapcon George. That's something my people say. Oh, okay.
Please name all 50 states in the United States of America.
Wait. You don't want me to name 50 states in America because America don't have 50 states. New York, Boston, Miami, Canada. Like that. That's it.
What is July 4th?
July 4th. July 4th is Monday. That's Monday.
What is the best-selling car in the United States?
The best-selling car? Man, that's Toyota. Everybody know that. You got the Camry, the 4runner, the Corolla, and then the truck. You can't beat that. But the new car is the old car. It's strong. Good material. Strong.
What is the state fruit of Florida? Who is our current president?
Intelligent,